Hey there, it's Brent Clayton here from firefighter.com, and today I'm going to answer a question that I've been receiving a lot over the last few years and quite a few times recently. If I'm a volunteer firefighter, do I have a better chance of picking up a job as a career or as a professional firefighter? So, first of all, it's not a simple yes or no answer, so I just want to get that straight. So, a couple of things in your favour if you are a volunteer are the fact that you may have an understanding of the organisation throughout your time of being exposed to that organisation in that role. So you may be able to gain a better understanding than someone that has not been a volunteer. So that's the first one. The second thing is that it gives you the ability to demonstrate that you are community minded, and some fire services, and most of them, this will be a positive attribute. So it gives you the ability to demonstrate that you're community minded in one way. The next thing, so you may have developed an understanding of the role. So through your exposure as a volunteer in the service that you are volunteering, you may have developed a better understanding of the role of a firefighter, so that may help you during the recruitment process. So the important thing is, and this is where it's not a help unless you can do this, you need to be able to demonstrate these things during the interview. You need to be able to demonstrate that you've got a really good understanding of the role and of the organisation. You need to be able to demonstrate and communicate that you'll be able to do this. You need to be able to demonstrate that you have the underlying skills and attributes in order to do the job properly. So to answer the question, yes, it can contribute, but you need to be able to communicate that correctly to the interview panel and to the service, because the fire service is interested in your underlying skills and attributes and ability to do the job properly for a long period of time. You won't get a job just because you're a volunteer. So hopefully that gives you a bit more context. I wanted to answer it as properly and as wholly as I could. Those are the facts that I could come up with. I hope you find them helpful. Hopefully that's answered the question clearly enough for you so that you can move on and start working on the things that are going to contribute to you being a successful candidate. I'm Brent Clayton. This is firefighter.com. If you found this helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up below the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any updates like this. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.